Hey there, in this video we'll factory reset your iPhone SE. This is ideal if you plan on selling it or giving it to a family member or friend. So let's get started. What we do is we go to Settings. Then on this main settings page, go to General. Next we scroll down to the bottom and we can see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select that. Just at the bottom again, we have Erase all content and settings. Erase this iPhone. Now if you're signed in with your Apple ID, you may see a message asking you to sign out. If you're not, you'll see something like this. Just click Continue. Erase iPhone. It wants the passcode, so enter that. And as you can see, the phone is now being reset. And as you can see, that has completed and it's now ready for you to set up. If you need a hand setting up, check out my channel. I have a video which takes you through step by step how to set up an iPhone SE. Thanks for watching my video and I wish you a great day ahead.